Hello, good evening, everyone. How are you? Okay, hold on. Okay, review EcoWest EG, no problem. Should I cut lost one glove? Is it top glove or Hata? Okay, hello, good evening, Canon, Anthony. Yeah, okay. Hata and Supermax. Ajinomoto. Okay, no problem. Tiguan. Hello, Patrick. How are you? Good evening. Okay, good evening, everyone. Please help me to click like and share this video lah, so we can get more viewers to join our live session. So if you yet to join my Telegram channel, okay, in Telegram lah, right? So you may screenshot it now and join it later lah. Later you can scan with your phone. Okay, so today content will be the same as well. We will go through the market outlook, which include the US market, oil, gold, cryptocurrency, and FBM KLCI. Follow with the stocks Q&A. Okay, let me know the stocks you want me to review, and I see you all already understand now, right? Like looking for TP, or you already EP your average price, or you are looking for support resistance, no problem. Okay, before that, disclaimer, all sharing is not a buy or sell recommendation or just for education purposes lah. Right? Okay, let's warm up first lah. Okay, warm up with the market outlook. Okay, at least we know what happened in the global. Okay, so far for Dow Jones, okay, they are still bullish lah. Okay, especially last week, you can see based on weekly chart, they closed bullish. So they are approaching one of the resistance, 35.3K. Okay, if this week they can close above, we are seeing more upside. And do take note that this week, okay, this Wednesday market, okay, which is on second half lah for US market, okay, 2 a.m. and 2:30 a.m. got the FOMC Fed rate and the press conference. Okay, this might impact on the USD. Uh, Either they will go strengthen or weakening. Okay, so this week is quite important now. So which is Thursday morning lah, our Malaysia time. Okay, so we see how it's going. If the rate is going up as expected, maybe okay, we may see some short term strengthen in the USD. Okay, most important, yeah. Hopefully they no more increase the rate lah. Okay. Otherwise, our ringgit will be continue weakening lah. Okay, for S&P is still okay, still bullish, but I expect market better have some healthy retracement lah. Okay, and for Nasdaq, we can see they do have a weekly shooting star. Okay, so based on this weekly candle, I think market may come back down to retest the support, maybe 15.2K. Okay, and the S&P as well. Okay, I expect market may have some retracement. Okay, hopefully lah. Okay, and how about let me see, gold oil price. Okay, oil, I think they are still rebounding. So far last week closing still not that bad. And yeah, currently they are breaking out above $77, okay, for WTI. And I'm seeing they do have potential to test $80 or 83, 84. Okay, for oil, I think is still bullish looking lah. Okay, and how about the gold price? Okay, based on the weekly chart, they seems like they hit the resistance 1980, okay, and get rejected. Okay, seems like they might come back down to retest 1950 or 1935. So I'm seeing gold might have some short-term weakening lah. Okay, one of the reason is the dollar is rebounding. Okay, dollar is rebounding. So maybe they will rebound until Wednesday and then U-turn. Okay, hopefully like that lah. And how about the crypto? Okay, for the Bitcoin. Okay, so far Bitcoin weekly closing for last week is neutral. Okay, last week is still stay above 29.5K, but currently they breaking down below lah. So yeah, this is a daily point of view lah. For today, they are breaking down below, but we see by end of day, which is tomorrow 8 a.m. is a closing price. Closing for the daily candle. If they can stay above 29.5K, okay, bulls still got chance lah. But if closing is below 29.5K, we are seeing more downside on the Bitcoin. They may revisit 28K. Okay, for Ethereum as well, slightly weak, and they are okay. Seems like they are heading okay to go back retest 1008. Okay, so I think crypto in general is more in retracement mode. And how about our FBM KLCI? Okay, so far so good. We can see today our KLCI closing 1424. Okay, so as we expected, they form a bottom, break up 1004. So far, still going up lah. So their next strong resistance do take note around here, 1433. Okay, 1433 until 1436. Okay, it's like 4D number this one. Okay, 1436 is a 200 MA do take note, and also is a one of the major resistance back in April and also May. Okay, you can see both time they are unable to break through 1433, 1436. And yeah, so far so good our KLC. I think still got a chance to retest the resistance. Okay, let's go for the stocks Q&A. Okay, let me see. Okay, a lot of question also. Tenaga Telecom, no problem. Okay, no problem. US market also got a lot of question also. PP Jack, Wasco, Gabungan, Naim. Okay, no problem. Okay, let's go one by one. Okay, first question from Loslan Mohammed. Okay, which is Ecovest and the EG lah. Oops. Okay, seems like today property sector macam is a profit taking day lah. Okay, let me see on the this one. Yeah, they already been go up so much. This is a Bursa Malaysia Property Index. So we can see they already went up so much. So seems like they need to have some correction. And yeah, same to the but construction is still alright. Today closing neutral. Okay, let's go back to the EcoVest. Okay, seems like EcoVest is like today got a major profit taking lah. Okay, not really a good sign if we base on today candles. Okay, Friday the closing very good. Okay, good volumes. Okay, good candle, but today market open gap up, close low. Okay, closing 385, and the volumes is like almost the same as a Friday volume. So in my opinion, the seller is quite strong lah. Okay, so the next things for EcoWest, you need to take note 370, 380. Okay, this is the major support lah. If the next few days, EcoWest, they can just go sideways and get supported. Okay, still got chance. Okay, but if tomorrow straight breakdown, then not so good already lah. Okay, so but based on today candle, actually not so good looking. If you haven't entered, then better stay away and see how it's going first. Okay, how about the EG? Okay, let me see. Eh, Hold on. The MACD hilang pi. How come like that? Okay, never mind. Later I add back MACD. Okay, I think something wrong with the accounts. Okay, never mind. For the for the EG, I think in overall, okay, they do push out. Okay, they are in the retracement mode lah. Okay, if we base on the volumes okay, you can see Tuesday until Monday the seller is not much. Okay, so I think it's still acceptable. So maybe they might come back down to retest 150 or 144 area, which was a resistance now turned into support. Okay, next one is cut loss one growth. I think is either Top Glove or Hata, right? Okay, for the Top Glove, I think Friday show us that not so strong. You can see they do smash down. Okay, break below the 200 MAs with volumes. Okay, so yeah, not so strong. But if you still want to monitor, you monitor for Top Glove. Monitor 850. Okay, 850 is one of the support lah. Okay, if breakdown memang no good lah. Okay, they may go back down to maybe 80 cents or even lower. Okay, if speaking about the Hata, let's see how it's going. Okay, Hata on the other hand looks better. Okay, looks better. Bounce from 2 ringgit. Okay, so far the closing 208 lah. I think it's still fine. And yeah, why they are better than Top Glove but the volume's okay only lah. Top Glove the volume's okay only. Okay, so far okay lah for Hatta. I think the resistance to take note is about 214. Hello, Canon Chong. Okay, good evening, Anthony. Good evening. Okay, RG 1658. Let's see. Ajinomoto. Okay. This one Uncle Roger's favorite lah. Okay. Oh, your EP 1650 slightly higher also Okay, but never mind. At least you are in a small profit. But do take note lah. Okay, on Friday, right? They went to the extreme level, which is about 1710. Okay, get resisted. So this would be your immediate resistance. Okay, and for the support, I would say the gap support lah, $16, 16 ringgit. Okay, which also was previous resistance. Okay, 16 is S2, S1 is 1624. Okay, so if they can go up, yeah, 1624 is one of the strong support lah. Okay, if they can break through 17, then it's about nearby $18 already, 18 ringgits. Okay, so yeah, hopefully they can go sideways only lah and stay above 16. Okay, so long above 16, I think the momentum should be still all right. Okay, SKP Resources 93. EPS one S2, RNO2. Okay, seems like the rebound sudah habis They only bounce on the 14th of July and 17th of July, and then the next day, okay, 18th of July kena rejected. Okay, we can see here is a bounce up, volume ada, but this date you can see their volume also high volume as well lah. Okay, market sell down. Okay, the only good news I can say is these 2 days, Friday and today, the selling pressure is not that much lah. So I expect they might come back down to retest the support. Hopefully they can stay above 90 cents lah. Okay, stay above. I think yeah, maybe they got chance to bounce up again to maybe 940 or 970. Okay, and if they break below if they break below 90 cents, the next support is 870. Okay, next is the good evening. Hello, Hata and Supermax. Okay, Hata just now covered but I didn't advise any good EPs. Okay, but yeah, today closing not that bad, just that they lack of volume. So yeah, better wait at the for me, I would prefer wait somewhere around 2 ringgit. Okay, probably the max is about 202. Okay, today closing 208 lah. Okay, how about Supermax? Okay, Supermax slightly weak if compared with the Hata. Okay, because they on Friday or last week we can say last week they break below 200 MAs, and after that they get resisted by the orange line. Okay, 200 MAs. Okay, slightly weak in my opinion. But if you are interested, 80 cents low. Okay, why here? 80 cents 795. Okay, this level has been supported since this year April and July. Okay, beginning of July So far they tested once, twice. Okay, 795, 80 cents. And also was a resistant So yeah, wait somewhere around there is better. Okay, Tiguan looking for EP, immediate support and resistance. Tiguan. Okay, Tiguan got volumes today. Looking for EP, immediate support and resistance. Okay, this one, let me see. Okay, the resistance you need to take note is a 215. Okay, 215. Yeah, today don't have the MACD due to I forgot to renew my Trading Views membership. So they only have a limited indicator lah. So here you only can see 20, 50 and 200 MAs. Okay, the MACD they closed already. Unable to use put too many indicator. So maybe I'll renew later lah. Okay, for Tiguan today got volumes so seems like they do have chance to bounce out further, but they need to break through to 1.5. Okay, so if speaking about your immediate support lah, okay, probably we can put around 208 and 206. Okay, 208, 206. And cannot go below 2 ringgit lah. If below 2 ringgit, memang no good ready. And yeah, based on today price session, I feel they are strong lah. And also got huge volumes. So yeah, hopefully they can break through to 1.5. Once they can clear through to 1.5, then we can see 225 and 230 level. Okay, how about support resistance hum REITs? Um, huh? HUMERIT. Okay, I'm unable to find the stocks. Although I know what stock is that, but I don't know the name. Can you please let me know the exact name again? Merit. I think it's this one, Hum Industry, lah, right? Yeah, okay, cool. This one we can see on 21st of July, they already break below the 20 MAs. Okay, lucky thing is on Friday they got a hammer, a light candle, got volume supported by the 144 and also supported by the 50 MA. Okay, so EP154, I think you are still safe lah. You are still safe. Okay, as long as they are above 144, I think it's still okay. But if they can bounce out, you need to watch out on your immediate resistance 163 and 168. Okay. Hello, Jordan. Okay, review PPHB. Okay, PPHB, I think they are still all right. Okay, they go back above 625, which is a 20 MA. And today also got slightly volumes. Okay, the only thing is they need to break through 650. Okay, once they can clear 650, you need to see the 200 MAs lah, 665. Okay, so watch out on your resistance. 650, once they can clear through. 665 is a 200 MAs, then 685. Okay, review HSI. HSI in general is weak lah. Okay, as you can see on this is daily chart lah. Okay, you can see Thursday and Friday the candle seems like not so strong The seller is stronger than the buyer. You can see they push up. Okay, but by end of day the seller come out. So in what I see, they mostly will go down lah. So today also go down break 18.8K. Okay, so if by today the closing price is still below, I'm seeing they might revisit 18.4K. Okay, so HSI is still weak. Okay, it's still weak. Any bounce up maybe is a potential to short lah. Okay, please check the Naga and Telecom. Naga today got sorry, wrong. I use a wrong format. Okay, the Naga. Naga today got volumes coming Okay, so lucky thing, they never break below the 200 MAs, which is around 895 and also 9 ringgit lah. Never break down. And today break up with volumes, break above 930. So meaning that for Tenaga, as long as the closing price stay above 930, they can sideways stay above 930. I think it's still good. And next resistance 960, 975. Okay, so far, yeah, I think okay lah. Okay, they do have potential to hit or visit 960, then only 980. Okay, 10 ringgit there lah. And how about the telecom? Okay, telecom also not that bad. Friday got volume, Juri come in. You can see. Looks like hammer. Thursday, Friday got a hammer like candle. Okay, Friday slightly higher volumes. And today market push up lah. Managed to close 5 ringgit. Okay, so far I think yeah, they do have potential to test at least lah the 200 MA first. Okay, which is about 510. Okay, so here also in conjunction to previous gap down area, although they already filled, but here also ngam is the 200 MA. Okay, so if they want push out further, I think the next resistance to take note is 210. Okay, so rebounding mode lah, rebounding mode. But do take note lah, okay, previously they also tested 200 MA but unable to break through, then kena rejected down. Okay, this time another attempt. We see whether they can break through or not. 510. Okay, how about USMA? Your EP is 645 lah. If USMA, since your EP today closing price 70 cents, volumes are that, but they are unable to break through 70 cents. A bit struggle. Okay, even though the candle looks okay, volume are that, but they a bit struggle when they hit 70 cents. Okay, let me see. Here also press down. Yeah, back in 13 and 14 of July, they also tested the resistance 70 cents, unable to go through, and gonna press down, and then second attempt. Okay, but so for this one, you can see here also tested lah back in April. Okay, overall I'm still bullish buyers with the USMA, but they need to really need to go above 70 cents. Okay, once they can clear off, then you can see 745 lah. In general, the momentum, all I think is still fine. Okay, still okay. Okay, MRCB. Okay, MRCB today got some profit taking lah. Okay, on Friday they do break out with volumes and good volume, good candle lah. You can see the candle is quite pretty, and also they break above 380. Okay, you can see this 380 is a resistance back in 2022 April and June. Okay, supposedly it's a breakout trade, but you can see today they open gap down sikit. Okay, they also attempt to push up, go above 40 cents. Okay, they also go all the way. Let me see. They also attempt to, okay, sorry. They open gap down sikit, but they managed to push up. But by end of day, they press all the way down to 375. Okay, not so strong lah. Okay, not so strong. Okay, let me see any things we can see. Okay, high volume, 9 a.m. gap down. Okay, here overall not much volumes when they press down. So for MRCB, right? Maybe we can put a 37, sorry, this sound 38, 37, 365. Okay, 365. Okay, so if tomorrow and Wednesday they come back down to retest 365 and get supported, okay, maybe still got a chance to re-challenge 40 cents lah. But if they break below, then not so strong already. Okay, today is the first day signal lah, but I think still can give them some chance lah. Okay, because they haven't makan all the previous day candle yet. So I want to see if they come down, they can get supported or not. If yes, okay, we still got chance for the second rally. Okay, but if like that, tomorrow straight makan down below, then not so good already lah. Okay, so support 365 and 350 S1 S2, and I expect market might press down a little bit more. Okay, comment on hibiscus EP91. Okay, boleh lah. I think. Let me see. Okay, hibiscus say these counters they are still below 200 MAs. Okay, currently 200 MA is about 985. Okay, so but what you notice on 12th of July onwards, they do have a breakout volumes. Okay, breakout 90 cents, retest. Okay, get supported, and today got close high lah. Okay, closing 925. Okay, seems like they are still all right. Okay, so for the resistance, okay, their immediate resistance is about 940. Okay, you can see lah. Here is a resistance. Here is a resistance as well, unable to go through. So once they can break above 940, we can see 985 lah, which is a 200 MAs. Okay, with the oil price, I think it's rebounding, maybe got benefited a bit lah. Okay, good evening, Ed Katan, right? Okay, what's your prediction for market movement with Fed announcement this week? Nasdaq already correction will go to 21 MAs, 50 MA, or 100 MAs. Can review on US stocks, Apple, Tesla, Google, Amazon, Microsoft. Okay, no problem. Okay, so in what I think lah, okay, if you got follow my YouTube or weekly market outlook, what I think is a market, especially for the Nasdaq lah. Okay, what I see is market may need to have some correction first. Okay, before they going out further. So I expect they might correction down lah. Okay, if they Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday morning also in a correction mode, probably the second half when the Fed announced they might rebound up lah. Okay, but if today, okay, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, they push out, maybe when the Fed announce on the rate and the press conference, market may U-turn down. Okay, this is what I think lah. Okay, but in general, I feel they better have some healthy correction before going out further lah. And I think they still bullish lah. Okay, they are still, my bias on US market lah is still bullish. Okay, how about the Apple AAPPL? The APPL seems like yeah, overall they are still bullish looking lah. You can see all this while they just follow the red line, which is a 20 MAs, right? So they never break down. So for short term wise, they are still bullish looking. Okay, if we look closer, we can see they are like a bit struggle around 194. Okay, 194 to 196 level. Okay, they are a bit struggle about here. So do watch out on the 20 MA. Okay, I think it's about 190. So long stay above, they are still bullish. But if they go below 190, they might have some correction down to meet the 50 MA lah, which is about 183. Okay, Tesla recently come to Malaysia. Yeah, Tesla also you can see on Thursday, they do have a gap down. Okay, Friday closing also not that good lah. Okay, open gap up but also close low. Okay, so they are at the major support now. Okay, but also based on this gap down and break below 20 MA is not so good for the short term point of view lah. Okay, so for Tesla, watch out 255. Okay, if break, which I think do have chance to break lah. Okay, what I think lah, I think might break. Okay, if they break, we watch this gap lah. Okay, which is around 236 to 240 level. Okay, as what I think lah, okay, because this is quite strong pull up, suddenly gap down. Okay, the force seems like very strong. Okay, and also they finally break 20 MA. Okay, for the Tesla. Okay, so I think they do have chance to break below 255. Once they break below, then you better wait at 236 to 240 level. Okay, how about Alphabet? Alphabet, Google. Ini also got show something 20 cross below 50 slightly weak also. Okay, and also they been okay for Google, they been struggle at this zone since mid-May until now. Okay, also need to seems like based on the individual stocks lah. Okay, seems like market need to have some kind of correction down lah. Okay, and also the 20 cross below 50. Okay, which is the crossing looks like not so good for the bull lah. Okay, so watch out on the immediate support 116. Okay, how about Amazon? Amazon previously gap up, but they filled the gap now at the 20 MA. Okay, so 130 lah. So for Amazon, stay above 130, still got chance. But if they go below 130, then not so good lah. They may come back down to 125. And the last one, US market is Microsoft. Okay, also at 20 MA, 340. Okay, 340. Yeah, in general, they are still very strong. Okay, just that seems like in short term wise, they might some need to have some correction. Okay, here also got huge volumes when hit here. So you watch out on the support 340, stay above, they are still okay, still can continue rally lah. But if they break below, then 50 MA is about 330. Okay, if these two level also break, then they may have some correction. So yeah, based on these few stocks, I think market may have some better lah, have some healthy correction before going out further or create new high. Okay, for JHM, as you can see on 17th of July, they do break out to 200 MAs, okay, and rally all the way to 875. Okay, if we zoom out, you can see 875 is a very strong resistance. Here, here, here. Okay, here is overshoot. Here overshoot to 940. But in general, you can see on average, they always get resisted around 875. Okay, so the next things is the next day still okay. Okay, retracement. Okay, they retrace 4 days already lah. Now they retest the 200 MAs. Okay, supposedly 815 is a support lah. But if we use a 200 MAs, maybe we round out to 80 cents. Okay, for JHM, okay, EP850. Oh, your EP is slightly higher. Okay, so since you already joined the game and today closing price already 810, then you see 80 cents lah. Okay, if the next few days they just sideways and stay above 80 cents, which is also stay above the 200 MAs, your position should be still safe. Okay, but if go below 80 cents, then consider a breakout fear lah. Okay, market may go back down to 750 or even lower. Okay, so for me lah, okay, for me I prefer after breakout buy as support. Okay, probably 805, 810 with my cut loss below 80 cents. Okay, so let's see SolarVest and YTL Power. God help me like and share this video or not. Okay, SolarVest a bit topish. Seems like some profit taking activities at this area. Okay, if we zoom out, what we can see here about 130, 128 lah. Okay, when was that? Last year January. Here. Okay, you can see this zone was a support. After the breakdown, turn into resistance. Now we are at the resistance. Okay, then we zoom in now. We see what happened here. Okay, back in 11th of July, they still struggle. Okay, they still supported, but you can see since 6th of July, so beginning of this month only, they try. Okay, they try very hard. Okay, they try very hard. Macam okay, unable to break through. Even yes, also one day only. Okay, next day kena rejected down, and also today candle. What we can see, the bearish candle is longer, okay, which is strong seller lah, and also the volume slightly higher. So based on these few indication seems like the bull not so strong to push out further, okay, and the seller is much stronger than the buyer. Okay, so for this case, probably if you want to give them a last chance, is a 20 MA lah, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so if they break below 1, 2, 3, means that this whole month sideways zone, okay, whoever bought here is already lose money lah. Okay, market may come back down lower, maybe to 120 or 115. Okay, so take note lah. Not so good sign, but if you want confirmation, 1, 2, 3 lah. Okay, how about the YTL? Okay, YTL also, okay, they do have a strong sell on 20th of June, but managed to rebound up. But okay, Friday got volume attempt to break up, but unable to break lah. Okay, you can see the resistance 133. Okay, or 132 better lah. 133 lah, betul lah. So this also similar. You can see since end of May until now. These counters they attempt at this zone for many weeks. Okay, so for them to continue to rally, they need to break above 133. Okay, only can go up further lah. Otherwise, if you can see, they keep tested, unable to go through. End of, they might come back down to retest the support about 120. Okay, and Friday I see a bit. Okay, although got volumes, you can see on Friday, macam the seller also want to sell at 133. So I expect they might retest the 20 MA area, which is about 127, 125 area. Okay, in general, they are still in uptrend mode, but okay, you can see they are not as smooth as previously. You can see previously they just hit once, retrace, break out, continue rally. But here you can see they struggle here for a few weeks already. Okay, so if they still unable to break above 133, they may come back down to test 120. Okay, if they break below 120, then no good. Okay, they may you turn to downtrend. Okay, comment on R1 Tech. Ah, disappointed lah. Okay, in beginning of this year, I still positive with them lah. I feel they do have potential this R1 Tech but so far they are unable to break through 50 cents. Okay, but never mind. Okay, unable to break through 50 cents, but so far I see okay they try to support it by 40 cents lah. But you can see here rebound, smash down. This rebound, okay, is getting lower, right? They smash down again. This rebound getting lower. Okay, seems like no strength. And this becoming a so-called triangle, a light candle. But they not breaking up, they are breaking down. So for me, not so good lah, not so good. Okay, unless the next few days they can go back above minimum 40 cents. Okay, best if they can go back above 420, then the game is still on. Okay, but if continue below 40 cents no good Okay, overall structure no good. They already below 200 MAs, right? So for me, not so positive lah. Hopefully they can go back above 420, then okay lah. Okay, Maiden oh, you can see 124 124. 124 is their weakness lah. Okay, back in 2021. Okay, here also right, you can see they are unable to go through 124. Okay, after their IPO lah. Oh, IPO is on 2020 October. Okay, their peak was 124, and recently you can see okay they also attempt 124 area, still unable to break through. So push out got volumes, press down no volume, so I think it's still okay. Okay, for these counters, they need to break through 124 lah. Only got new level, okay. Otherwise, they might just go sideways. Okay, so far I think okay, as long as they are above 110, they are still okay. Okay, today closing price 120 lah. So I expect they might retrace down. Okay, but uh they still need to break out 124 lah. Only got chance. Otherwise, they might come back down to 110 level. Okay, but in general, I think they are still strong lah. Okay, they are still strong. Just that okay, they are at the resistance, major resistance. Okay, comment on FFP S1S2 R1 L2. Okay, SFP hit resistance 116. Okay, attempt to break out on Thursday, right? 20th of July. Okay, Friday nothing much. Then today also nothing much. Okay, if we see here back in 22nd of June, okay, this is the extreme level 116. So they already hit lah. So I expect they might need to retrace down to maybe probably 20 MA area. Sorry. 105. Okay, I expect they might need to retrace down to 105 area. Okay, after SFP, Heng Yuan and Doufu. Wow, this one long time no see. Heng Yuan. Okay, Heng Yuan is rebounding. Okay, on 5th of July, they do have a rebound signal sideways, continue to rally up. So if just review, I think overall they are still okay lah, since they already bounced from the bottom. Okay, so this is a bottom. Okay, here. Okay, seems like they bounce from the bottom and still rebounding mode. So their next resistance is here lah. Here was a support. Okay, once they break down, here become resistant. Okay, 345, 360. Okay, and if we zoom in recently, the volume is still fine lah. Okay, when they retrace, the volume is low. When they push up, the volume is high. I think the bull is still in control. Okay, so watch out on your next resistance, 345. Okay, I think it's still alright, this one. Okay, the only thing is this counter is below 200 MA, so. Oh, too full ah. Tak boleh this one. Okay, too full, I think no good already lah. No good already. Okay, they do break out on 14th of July, right? With volumes. And then rally up to 216. Okay, yeah, rally up to 216 and kena rejected down. Okay, even though they try to retest the 200 MAs back in Friday, but today you can see the seller is strong. Okay, and the volume is high. You can see these volumes are almost same as the day they break up. Okay, so for me the seller is strong and these counters are not so good lah, unless they can go back above 2 ringgit. Otherwise, I'm seeing they might come back down to 188 or 177. Okay, 188 or 177. 177. But overall, don't do anything lah. Wait first, wait first. Okay, okay. Next one is the ACME. Okay. ACME back to 20 cents and also still above the 200 MAs lah. Okay, but this one quite depending on their mood lah. Okay, depending on their mood. So as long but 20 cross below 50 already lah. Okay, for me they are not so strong already. Okay, these counters so long they are above 195, still got a bit hope lah. Okay, but if they go below 195, totally no game Okay, so far they try to support it lah. Okay, so if they want to go up, watch out on this resistance 225. Okay, and I said these counters like the penny stocks sometimes they can sideways for very long. Okay, so long they sideways, don't go below 195. Okay, still got chance lah. Okay, EcoWest just now covered already, so we go for the Mars Steel first Mars Steel is still rebounding mode. Okay, the only thing is, okay, let me see Monday today also got volume, so still alright. Okay, watch out on the 200 MAs resistance, which is at 325. Okay, here only 200 MAs. Okay, once they can break through, then okay lah. Once they can break through, then got chance challenge 350, 360. But if they just hit 325, unable to break through, just like here, okay, they might gonna smash down to 30 cents level. Okay, so for Mastil, they need to go through above 325. MRCV cover already, so we go for UEMS. Okay, UEMS, they go up so many days already, they need to rest lah, right? Okay, so if we draw another line here, what you can see, back in 2021, March 485. Okay, maximum 50 cents. But too far already. No need to see so far. We see 485 only, this level. 2021, March, and zoom in. Yeah, on Friday, they ngam hit 485. And what we can see here, today bear candle is longer than Friday bull candle. Okay, macam the bear makan the bull lah. And also the volumes. Okay, even though Friday got high volume pump out, but today kena erase all lah. Whoever enter on Friday also lose money. So based on this candlestick pattern, I think they might retrace down further lah. Okay, should yeah, I think they should retrace lah because already rally up for so many days since 30 cents until now, right? So the next support, okay, we KIV first. Next support, I would say, okay, this was a resistance, right? Turn support 415 and 385. Okay, based on this momentum, I feel I will wait somewhere in between here. Okay, we see any opportunity. So if we take the balance, okay, the middle, I think is about 40 cents. Okay, we see lah. If they can sell down and get supported, yeah, maybe got chance for another rally. But if they straight go down below 385, then memang no good already. They might go to 350 or even lower. Okay, OMH. For this one, very looks illiquid lah. Okay, looks illiquid. Okay, when was that? 2021. Or this one considered a fear case. 2021. So 1 year plus only discounters, but they already show us that they downtrend for about 1 year lah. Okay, they during IPO they got pump and dump. Second pump, no strength, sell down, sideways, sell down. Okay, the uptrend cannot last long, continue sell down. So in general, they are in the downtrending lah. Okay, the seller, I think most of the holders are losing money lah in these counters, right? So if we 175 was a support, they bounce from 15. Oh, okay. So this was a support, right? Last year, 175. So they bounce from here, sell down again. Recently, they bounced from 150. Okay, zoom in further, we can see they have a highest volume on 7th of July. Okay, I believe he's someone who knows something lah, right? Yeah, otherwise they won't buy here, right? You can see the highest volume at here, about 150 plus minus. Okay, so market bounce up, but recently someone no volumes already lah. Okay, so I think the rebounding mode is there. Okay, but provided they stay above 170. Okay, so long above 170, maybe they got chance to rebound out further. Okay, and the 200 MA is at 2 ringgit. Okay, so this one they sendiri play all lah. Okay, yeah, they have a highest volume at here. Okay, fishy lah. Then they push up. And recently no volumes. I can't see anything. So to be safe, we use 170 as our last defense. Stay above, maybe the momentum still okay. But go below, then they might revisit 160 or 150 level. Okay, how about Lei Hong? Defense. Lei Hong, if we zoom out, you can see they all this while unable to break through 320. Okay, right? Back in last year June, this year April, this year May. also still unable to break through 320. But I see the momentum is getting better lah. Okay. Okay, Friday volumes. Okay, so far they are still above 2050 MA. Maybe we can put around 295. Okay, stay above 295. Short-term momentum is still there. And yeah, this time when they test 320, they memang need to break through lah. Okay, only got chance to go out further. Otherwise, people will give out on them also lah. You can see the second time they always when they hit 320, they will come back down to 275. Okay, if this time they hit unable to break through, they might come back down to revisit 275 lah. If they can break through and stay above 320, then we can see higher resistance lah, probably 350 level already. Okay, how about Asiata? Asiata rebounding mood, maybe. Okay, I think last week when I review, I was quite disappointing with them lah, due to the bearish candle. Okay, but so far they never break below 250. Okay, they yet to break below 250 and they bounce up. Okay, above 258. Today closing 260. So for this counter, so long they stay above this zone, yeah, probably this is a potential bottom now lah. 250, 258. Okay. So if they can stay above, still got chance to bounce up further. But if they go below, no game. Okay. In general, they are still weak lah. Okay. But yeah, hopefully they can bounce from here to 275 or 200 MA, which is about 285. Okay, PP Jack. PP Jack. When was that? Thursday. Push up all the way to 110. So far they diam already. They diam still unable to go through 104. Okay, but what I see is they macam not so strong. Oh, you can see on the highest volume day, this date and this date, they macam attract seller to sell. So yeah, but I expect they might just go sideways dulu lah. Okay, recently not much volumes. Okay, 90 cents is your immediate support and resistance 104. Okay, Solar Vest, YTL Power. Solar Vest just now cover already, right? Yeah, just now cover already. So, YTL also same, right? Some people ask. YTL also cover already. If you haven't viewed, then later you can, rewind back lah. Okay, scroll back to the previous Q&A. Okay, review LBS average 435. Let's see. 435 today, 475. Okay, seems like they need to come back down to retest 450 lah. Okay. Yeah, even though I see 50 cents is a potential resistance, but if we zoom in, what we can see on these 2 days, Thursday, Friday, okay, high volume, neutral, also high volume. Seems like someone, potentially, okay, dispose as here. Maybe they need to retrace down to the 20 MA lah. Okay, but even they can go up, maybe also 50 cents level lah. Okay, but if you are swing trader, I think it's still okay lah. Okay, overall still okay, and watch out on your resistance of 50 cents. Okay, very hard to say whether it's a seller or buyer. Okay, probably we can use a 465. Okay, stay above, still got chance lah. Still got chance to retest or break through. But if they go below, I think something wrong lah. Okay, something is wrong. Okay, because they do have a high volume over here. If go below, then not so strong. Okay, they might come back down to 450 or even lower. Okay, good evening, David. Wasco. Wasco is still fine. You can see Thursday, Friday, and today volumes improving. Okay, but they hit one of the resistance, 980. Okay, I don't know why I put here. Oh, okay. Now I know why. Okay, Wasco, they had a gap down back in March 2020. Okay, you can see the gap in between is a 980 and 111. So they are at one of the resistance now. Okay, if they can break through, then maybe we can see 1 ringgit lah. Okay, maybe you can see 1 ringgit. So let me see 980. If I put 1 ringgit is about here. I think more than one if they can break through 980, probably 102 level. Okay, you can see they are still in the uptrending channel lah. So if they can break above 980, you wash out 1 ringgit, then 102 lah. Review Naim. Naim. Oops. Not so good lah, Naim. Okay, Naim back in 4th of July, they had a very strong rally up. And what you can see here, see they get supported very well at 830, right? But this date shows something. High volumes. Okay, this shows us that they attempt to have another round of rally, but the seller is too strong, pressed down. So here can see the strong high volumes come in. But the next few days, the market is still sideways lah, until Friday, they break down 830, which is a level they've been supported for a couple of weeks lah, right? And today market open gap down and close low. Okay, even though volume is low lah, but I think the structure already broken, not so nice. So for these counters, 750. Okay, you wash out 750 first. If they can get supported, still worth to review lah. Okay, but if they break below 750, then the overall momentum not so strong already. They may go to 70 cents or even lower. Okay, but for me, it's a KIV mode only lah, not to do any EP now. Okay, how about GBG? Okay, gabungan average price 305. They also macam profit taking days most of the like properties and construction and all these they macam take profit and go somewhere else Okay, on Friday they are still alright, right? We can see the high volumes, but today macam got some profit taking activities. They not even go to 325 Okay, so today closing 310. Okay, for these counters, okay, since your EP is 305, but I think they need to stay above 30 cents lah. Okay, so they may come back down to your entry price lah. Okay, if they sideways stay above 30 cents, I think it's still okay. But go below, not so strong lah. Okay, they may go to 290 or 280 level. Okay, how about AYS? So for Malaysia counters, sometimes when spike out, better protect some right? Otherwise they just pump and dump also boring macam you go McDonald's work is better. At least you got guaranteed income. Okay, AYS you can see on 17th of July they do break up above 200 MAs which is around 405. Okay, the next day they supported, but on 20th of July they break below 20 MA. Okay, they go back below 20 MA, which is below 405 lah. So these 2 days is still struggle a bit. So seems like the breakout macam fail already lah. If you still insist want to try, okay, 395 is your last defense lah. Okay, sometimes market may overshoot a bit lah. Okay, if they can sideways and stay above 395, yeah, maybe still got chance to have another attempt breakout. But if they go below, memang no good lah. Okay, they may go to 375 area. Okay, key acid. Any counters ini susah analyze macam ini. Okay, Tuesday 27 of June, high volumes. Okay, so we can say here is a support zone, breakout, sideways. Okay, so far nothing much I can say, but I would say the chances is still there so long they are above 0.065. Okay, MSC. MSC hit resistance 225. Okay, this is a January resistance. Okay, recently they also like back in beginning of July lah. Okay, they might some struggle at 225 area here also. So I expect they might come back down to retest 210 level. Okay, UEMS and Naim cover already. Okay, Lotus. Are you tagging someone or yeah, okay, you're looking for Lotus. Lotus KFM. Okay, still in rally mode. Okay, but this is a penny counters and also is a in liquid counters. Okay, based on the trend, yeah, I think they are still strong. Okay, you can see they rally up, retest support, rally up again. So so far it's still alright lah. So immediate support 250, 220. Okay, if the rally can continue, next resistance 31310, and take note lah, discounters. Okay, pump and dump also lah. Right? Here also, yeah, all this while they just pump and then dump down. So now they are already halfway lah. Okay, they are already halfway. So most importantly, they cannot go below 220. Okay, below 220, memang no go already. Okay, for immediate is a 250 lor. And if they can continue push out, watch out on your major resistance 310. And these counters, you know lah, huh? Their character. Okay, how about Gadang? Gadang today got attempt to pump up 345, but gonna press down to 325. Okay, they not even hit 350. No need to draw, already draw here. Okay, 350 was a support, turned into resistance. Okay, today break up. Okay, attempt to break up lah, but you can see the end of day candle not so nice. Okay, let me see on the day 50-minute charts. Any signal? 9 a.m. they break up volumes, but after that quiet already. Nothing much. Okay, so chances maybe we need to see the next few days what happened. Okay, so I expect they might come back down to retest support. Okay, if they come back down to 315 and get supported, maybe still got second chance lah. Okay, so yeah, so long above 315, maybe still got chance. Okay, comment on UEMS, looking for EP, looking good or not. UEMS just now cover already, right? Tentatively in a profit taking mode. So yeah, wait dulu lah, wait dulu. Probably Wednesday we can review again. One glove Okay, later I see Sorry, I thought it's a one of the glove counters. My hold on My Chrome push out on 17 and 18 of July. Volumes ada. Oh, but they hit here 230. December, this year February, they unable to go through 230. Okay, so these counters you watch out lah 230. They need to break through, otherwise no meaning already. Okay, so maybe I give them a 210. So long they retrace, stay above 210, 20 cents, they are still okay. Okay, if they sideways like that, still okay. But if they go below, memang no go already. Okay, the destiny might be like this. Okay, so since this is a major resistance, they need to break through 230. Okay, once breakthrough and then only got chance to visit maybe 250 275 area. Okay, one glove already got this company Hey, when was that? Oh, April. Okay, since day one they already sell down until today Cut loss I'm not sure where is your EP level but if now just think about cut loss, I think not much meaning already. Okay, let me see Okay, now I can see all the chart. Okay, when was that? 2020, they do have a good rally up. After that, everyday sell lah. Okay, now seems like the selling pressure has already slowed down. So for me, I think no point to cut lah. Okay, as they already sell down. So wait for them to bounce up. You only cut. I think it's better. Okay. Okay, so for this case, seems like 225 is a support, right? 225. And today closing price is 250 ma. If we cut now, you only, since you already hold until now already ma, why not you fight again? Okay, you fight for the price stay above 225. Okay, so long above 225, the game is still on. Okay, so long they stay above lah, right? The closing price. And then if they can bounce up, maybe we just see a 200 MA first lah. 350 435. Okay, so wait for them to bounce up, then you only cut loss. At least you can reduce some losses. Okay, otherwise if you cut here, it's like you cutting at the support level. Later bounce up, not so worth lah. At least okay, if they can bounce up a bit more, maybe 315 350 you only cut lah. Okay, or they go below 225, then you cut. Okay, now in between, I think yeah, just stay and see how it's going. Okay, how about the end to end? End to end bounce from 455 475. Okay, let's wait for the okay volumes. I think this I also mentioned, right? Is a profit taking area. Okay, so far no volumes for the end to end. Okay, so at least they are still above 200 MAs, okay, which is above 455. So I think it's still all right. Today closing price 490. Okay, recently not much volume so I assume they might just go sideways dulu. Okay, until they can break through 50 cents. Okay, USMA just now cover already 407. Okay, hold on. 5079. Okay, one glove correct. Okay, review Hong Kong stocks 9988. Baba, Alibaba. Baba is more into sideways now. Okay, no longer that's bearish, but they are more into sideways lah. Baba. Okay, $80 is a strong support, and $100 is a strong resistance. Current price in the middle. Okay, recently go back above the 200 MAs lah. So I think, yeah, they are still okay. So long above $86. Okay, I think it's still okay. Okay, 0020 0020. Okay, I think okay, I think I need to put 200 Oh, this one turned weak already they already break below 200 MAs. Okay, so in my opinion, you can see from the chart they are going downtrend instead. Okay, and ever since they break below 200 MAs even they bounce out they also get rejected here also same. So for me, they are turning down to downtrending. So for the support, 713. Okay, watch out on their support, 713. They also have a gap, right? Previously gap up. Okay, so turn into a support. Okay, now the resistance is about $8. Okay, how about the SP Setia? SP Setia, if you're looking for EP go on okay, what I see on the resistance is about here lah. For 6-9 overs Okay, recently they break out above the 200 MAs. Today a bit struggle, but still okay. 615 Okay, your immediate support 615. If you think market may retrace down further, like have a correction it's somewhere around 595 580 Okay, so I think yeah, somewhere around 615 can KIV lah. Okay, can CC look. Echem Echem is rebound from 590 ringgit. So now at one of the resistance 650. Okay, based on the momentum, I think they do have chance to visit 666. Okay, still in the rebounding mode only lah, rebounding mode. How about Armada? Armada also the same lah, Last Thursday, Friday got bounce up. I think volume also not bad. And they hit 550, which is support turn into resistance. Okay. So today they hit resistance, Friday hit resistance. I think they may come back down to test the support lah. Maybe we can put about 520 level. Okay, so long they stay above 520, maybe got chance to re-challenge lah. And they need to break through 550. Then only can see 590 625 level. Okay, I think yeah, they still have some potential lah. Okay, looking EP for Takafu and RHB. RHB. Sorry, Takafu first. Takafu hit 350 already. Looking for EP. I thought supposedly to enter earlier somewhere around here. Okay, now already hit 350 lah. So yeah, better wait for them to probably retest 340 level. 340, 337 level. Okay, so RHB and RHB Bank at the resistance. If you scroll out and see here. Currently they are at the resistance back in last year until now. So far, this is one of their major resistance until 560. So better wait for them to come back down minimum, okay, about 545 lah, somewhere around here. Okay, because they are already at a resistance. Okay, best level was around 540 534 level. Okay, I think previously I was waiting around 520 level, but they never come. Already bounce up. Okay, so yeah, wait for the next retracement. Up thing. Upswing rebound tapi tak ada strength. Do they attempt to bounce up? You can see. But by end of day, gonna press down. Unfortunately, too many seller already lah. Okay, I expect they might come back down to retest support 318, and in overall they are still weak. Okay, due to limited indicator, you can find for indicator that group as this one. Yeah, this one I know because I was using a paid version, so I never care about that until I just realized my account today expired already. Okay, Mfla. Mfla also weak. Mfla ever since they break below the 200 MAs, they already turn very weak. So I expect they may come back down to test 60 cents or even lower. Okay, you can see they already turned weak. So the bear in control lah. Okay. IOI. IOI okay, but they hit one of the resistance, 125. Okay. 125 is a resistance back in 2021, June, September, and October resistance. Okay. Unless they can clear through, then only 138. Okay, but what I see is they are still strong lah. Okay, hopefully they can close above 125. Then okay. SWS cap. SWS cap is still in a sideways mode. Okay, what we can see here: 220 support, 270 resistance. Okay, so we can see back in March until now, okay, for the SWS cap, they are just sideways here. Okay, so for them, in order to have a rally, they need to break through 270. Once breakthrough, then only got chance to challenge here lah, 375. But you can see lah, back then the attempt also fail. Okay, breakout fail, they go back down to 220 lor. Then maybe this time they try again lah, 270. They need to break through. Okay. Good evening, Lim Kim Xia. Okay. QQQ rebalancing will impact US. This I'm not so sure, but what I see mostly are the uh for the US. I only see on the dollar. What how dollar impact on the market. Okay. Chinwell. Chinwell. But I think it's a co-related also like QQQ, right? Okay, Chinwell rebounding, but maybe to fill the gap here lah. Sorry, 144. Okay, but in general, you can see they do supported well around somewhere around here lah, 132 level. Okay, so they currently try to fill the gap here. Once they can clear through 144, maybe got chance to test a 200 MAs, which is currently about 149. Okay, so yeah, today they filled the gap, so they need to break through 144 lah. Okay, if you're looking for EP, okay, either you wait for the breakout above 144, but your immediate resistance is for 149 lah, or you wait for them to retrace down. Wow, susah to read their chart. Macam not so active this one. Okay, if for me I will skip lah, but if you die must try 139 lor. Okay, Armada. Oh, Usma cover already. Wow, many people interested. Armada just now also cover already. Hit 550. Okay, maybe they might retrace down to 520 level. Okay, KIV around there. Lah. Or you wait for the breakout above 550. Okay, can review property stocks Lagenda, Ecoworld, E&O, SB Setia, Simprop, Kerjaya. Okay, SB Setia just now cover already lah, so we skip lah. Okay, for Lagenda first. Oh, ini weak ini break below 200 MA and break below 119. Okay, in general they are weak. Okay, they might come back down to 113 area. Okay, they already below the 200 MAs. Okay, this counter is weak lah, in my opinion. Eco World is still okay, but currently is retracing. They might retest a support about. Okay, recently overshoot a bit huh? So I think they might come back down to retest 20 MA or a 60. Okay, I expect they might retest 840, level. Okay. Okay, how about E&O? Okay, E&O already hit the 200 MAs 370. Okay, I think this I do share on my YouTube before during the, I think somewhere around here lah, right? And yeah, my target I think also minimum 370 lah, already hit here. So based on these few days performance, seems like this is resistant. They might come back down to test support maybe 350 level. Okay, SP Setia cover already. How about Simprop? Simprop also in a retracing mode. Okay. Previously also rally up a lot already. Let me see. Okay, since they recently break out above 530. Okay, these 2 days selling pressure not that much. If they retrace down to 530 and stay above, I think it's still alright. Okay. Still looks okay lah. Okay. And Kerjaya. Ini macam sideways saja. The range the the price range, not much. Yellow. These counters, you can see since 2021 until now, they are more into sideways. Support 1 ringgit, resistance 120. Okay, recently the immediate resistance is a 200 MA 112. Okay, Hub Seng Tenaga cover already. Okay, DSS. Okay, today overrun a bit lah. Okay, half an hour low. So those already covered. Later you can scroll back lah. Okay, can scroll back DSS, or you can come earlier on Wednesday. Okay, we cover lah. Okay, DSS. Here, let me see. They bounce up, but we okay. I expect they might come back down to retest a 365. Okay, so long they are above 365 is still okay, but if they go below 365, then not so strong lah. Okay, and they are still okay. They are still weak lah. Okay, yeah. Hopefully they can stay above 365 lah. Or if you want 50 MA is 36 or stay above, still got game. Go below, no game lah. They may go back down to 320 level. Okay, next is Inari Attack. Inari rally up so much already. Oh, okay, you need to wait lah. Okay, they from bottom. They from bottom here about 225 until now. They already rally up near 40% lah. So yeah, wait for the next correction lah. Okay, I see they still got potential to go up maybe to 325 level. Okay, but not worth to fight now lah. Okay, maybe you can play somewhere between 3 ringgit to 325 level. Okay, less than 10% return lah. Okay, I feel the risk reward ratio if we jump in now, macam not so worth it. Okay, so yeah, better wait for the next correction. Probably you can wait around 20 MA. Okay, when the price revisit 20 MA, and tentatively the 20 MA is about 284 lah. Okay, I think by the time should be around 290 or 3 ringgit level. Okay, wait for correction ready. Okay, how about ATAC? ATAC also rally up 3 days, 2 days retrace. Okay, so far they supported by the 200 MA, which is about 227. So I think it's still alright. Okay, maybe support 240 lah. Okay, if you are interested, 240 with your cut loss below 227. Okay, welcome Anthony. Okay, MRCB cover already. Later you can scroll back. IOIPG also cover already. Okay, GHL system and the OMSD lah. Okay, last two. GHL is still in the sideways zone. Okay, so far you can see GHL is in the downtrending since 2021 December, right? And currently they are more into sideways. You can see since last year December until now they are just trading within a range, and recently is more tight range. Okay, but in general, okay, for GHL, so long they are above 760, I think it's still okay. Okay, and the resistance to break out 860. Okay, once they can break through, maybe got chance to visit 1 ringgit. Okay, at least they no longer that bearish. Okay, but they are still in a sideways mode lah. So you need to have more patience on these counters. Okay, how about OMSD? Okay, OMSD is still in the the chart the candle looks quite illiquid lah. Okay, in my opinion. But if we base on the structure, at least we can see a potential head inverse head and shoulder, although not so look alike lah. But at least we can see it's a bottoming signal. Okay, hopefully lah. Okay, so let's zoom in and see high volume on 26th of June, and recently got slightly more trading activities. Okay, so this counter, so long they are above 350, I think it's still okay lah. Today closing price 370, and if they can stay above 350, I think yeah, got chance to challenge 40 cents level. Okay, Cloud PT, I think is a quite new and nothing much I can comment because they are too new already. Okay, so I expect they might retest 485. Okay, this one since day one they already sell down, then they just go sideways lah. So watch out 485 as your support. Okay, last two lah, B Plant and the Paramount. Paramount. Ini was sorry. Not this one. I think it's a Paramount. Okay, Paramount Mount. Okay. This one breakout 790 rally up all the way. Today macam some profit taking lah. 910. Okay, what we can see here. 910 was a peak level back in 2019. Right? So today they already hit lah. Okay, although they overshoot to 955, but you can see some profit taking when they try to break out. So for me, it's not so strong already. Okay, even though the closing is a bullish candle, but seems like this is a big market may need to have some correction down or retracement down to probably 850 level lah. Right, so already at the peak lah. Okay, last one is a B Plant. Sorry, B Plant. Okay, so far so good lah. Okay, B Plant already break above 104, which was a 2022 April resistance. Okay, so far so good. Okay, so far okay. So far still okay. So I would say 1 ringgit 104 is their immediate support zone. Okay, stay above I think still okay. And the next resistance would be about 116 120. Okay, I think also benefited by the CPO price. CPO price, yeah, Monday today quite good. So long CPO stay above 3008 lah. Okay, I think overall they are still benefited to the so-called plantation counters lah. Okay, so thank you everyone for joining our live session until 10 p.m. lah. And also thank you Sifu for having me here. Okay, so if you yet to download Sifu apps, okay, please go and download now. They are available at the iOS and the Google Play Store. And also, if you haven't joined my Telegram channel, you may screenshot now and then you can scan it later lah. So we see you on the Wednesday. Okay, this Wednesday, 8:30 sharp lah. Okay, so thank you everyone. See ya.